Hi everyone. So today we do have pure Japan model. It's RG-5850 Sharp. I didn't do my homework yet, but if I could guess, it's from 1980s, I'd say. So we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one also. At first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay?
Receptinė 5-0.
Būta iš skirtingų komentarų, ką tas vienišas žmogus.
It actually sounds really great for its age. Now the cassette. Let's try forward. Backwards. The cassette doesn't sound really great, but hey, it works. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to switch from the FM to MW or LW. Doesn't matter which one. Okay, so let's just switch it off. Now we go to our cell phone. Activate Bluetooth. Wait few seconds, and here it is. Just press it. Now the Bluetooth is activated. We'll go to YouTube and play any music we want. That's it. Let's try another song. Ads, of course. Cool, right? To switch off the Bluetooth, simple go to FM mode again. And now we're back to radio. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not much light here, but hey, this is how it came from factory. Okay guys, thumbs up. Oh, and by the way, there used to be a small crack here, but we did fix it. It's barely visible, but it's here. So also little damage right here, but for its age, it's in perfect condition, I'd say. Thumbs up.